Hi guys, I want to show you the system that I've been building for the past 6 months, and we have a team that is going to be handling the cases that you will be seeing on Manlung Recovery Portal. Or if you have a case that you want to be assisted with, this is a system that I built for assisting clients to trace lost items, lost phone, lost devices, lost vehicles, and other related cases. If you have a scam cases, you can also check out our website. This is called Manlung Recovery Portal. So when you come to Manlung Recovery Portal, first thing you will find it's an open session. You can go free, and you can also make a phone call to admin. So first thing you will have to sign up. So you can sign up with Google or GitHub depending, or you can just create an account. So for our case, let's sign up with Google. Yeah, so it will take time and load. So signing in securely, so once it's verified, it will automatically open. So once it opens, it will take you to your cases that you've already submitted to Manlung Recovery Portal. These are the cases that we've submitted so far, and that's on the client's dashboard. So when you come home, this is now client dashboard. This is how it looks like. So we have devices recovery, identity theft, scam investigations, and a security assessment. So if you open each tells you what is needed, then you submit a request. So when you start submitting a request for, let me say, let's talk about lost phone. You fill there, you type your name. Let me say Mark. No. I want to use a different name. Let me say Eugene Kamau. Then you type your email there. Okay, Eugene Kamau 20 at gmail.com. Then Kenya, location Nairobi, state Nairobi, lost phone. So you can type there description, kindly help me trace my lost phone. So you'll fill this. If you have the details, you can fill your incident date, time, location. You can also fill other device information, the type of phone, brand of the phone, model, color, EMI, if you know the EMI, date purchased, and all that. Then you come down here and mark the checkbox and submit. So it's telling you that it's submitted. Then it will get you this information, this value. So every case has a value, has a secret code. So this secret code, nobody can open it if it's not your case. So let's go back home and check if our case was submitted. So when you come to track my case, you can paste that code and check. It will tell you not yet assigned the investigator. Okay, this one is not yet assigned. For an example, that a case that I already sent that is working, that was 003, I think 003. 003 was assigned to somebody, and the case was not assigned to anybody, but it was recovered. Like, for example, that was recovered. So that is that. Let's go back to our dashboard. You can also change this to black. You can also change the theme to dark mode and all that. Okay, same thing. You can also donate. So far we are at 2,000. So for the donation, you just click any value, feed your details, and submit your details. So it's from 50 bob to a million bob. So that's the donation portal. Then we have our blog. Then cases. Then if you look down here, we have the admin call an admin. So if you click call an admin, it will tell you to we had a free plan, but currently we've just activated the payment plan. So let's say call an admin, click a call an admin, it will check an available admin online, and it will click and it will start ringing. But if there is no available admin, it will say no admins currently, no admins are currently available. Please try again or call back shortly. Okay, because admins are not online. Let's go to the admin portal that I built also. This is the admin portal. So the admin portal is also a section where we have the owner's dashboard and the client dashboard. Okay, so let's start with the admin portal. Let me just use for both. Manlung 26. I have a very serious password. Then you log in. So once you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. This is the donation section. This donation is available to everyone, all users and reports. So remember the case that we submitted, the latest case that we submitted. the clip just ended. Now I'm starting again. I'm continuing. So once you open the dashboard, you will see this 2000. You will see the donation sector. This is for the admin portal. So when admins open, they'll be able to see the last person who updated, who sent the donation and how much it was sent. It was 50 bob. And what was the time that it was sent? Uh, it was sent 10:04 p.m. Yeah. Then let's come to the case that was sent recently. This is today's 22nd. This is the case that was sent last. So let's view the case. So this, the name person there is client's name is Mark because I've registered with my name and accepted. Let's say accept. Investigator now. Let me assign an admin there. That is the recovery location. So once the device is recovered, you will be told where the device is recovered. Then you will put a public notice there, public text there to tell the client what to do next. Then also these admin notes. These are only available for admins to keep admins then to save changes. If there are files that we found like kama tumetafuta simu yako tukapata nayo mtu lakini alisahau kuzima camera, we just simply take a shot of the person, then we'll attach the files there. So you can come, admins comes and uploads the files. Let me say this is the file that we want to upload. Let me say this, then open. So once it's open, it's uploading 100%. Then it's down there. This is the file. Then you save the case, save the changes. So once you save the changes, it's saving. Okay, let's pause there. Let's go back to the client's dashboard. I hope you remember the track case that we were having here. Let's change it. Let's check the track case. That was 17. Okay, now you can see. Let's refresh this browser and track again. Have we not saved in the admin dashboard? Oh, investigator, Manlung. Case is accepted. Let's save changes. Saved. Send your request submitted. Right? So there's also a section here you can chat with the client. Hello, we are on your case. And submit. So this one will pop up in client's dashboard. See, this is admin portal. Okay, let's go back here. Let's refresh again and test our case. Our case track. You see, now the investigator that has already been assigned is called Manlun. So when you can come back to my cases here and see the last case that we submitted was this 017, and we will find the files that were attached. Let's refresh. No file attached. No file attached. Really, let's see. But here we have a file attached. What? Let's save again. Let's refresh here. No files attached. Okay, that's an error we'll correct. But a client can send a case to the admins and everything will pop up here. So like the message that was sent by admin saying, case team is saying, hello, how are you? Hello, we are on your case. Okay, so I'll be able to reply as a client. Thank you for your feedback. To come you. Then you send. I've written feedback bad, but the wrong spelling, but it's okay. So this is the case for the admin. The text for the admin. This is the text for clients. Yeah, you understand. So when you come back to the dashboard for the admin under the cases, you refresh for the charts. Where are the charts? These are the charts. Okay. Loading messages. Let me refresh that. So this was our case. Let's view. And the client has also replied saying thank you for your feedback. Okay, let's post that there. Then cases are there in the admin dashboard. Then let's come about to the report for the admin dashboard. These are the reports for monthly, daily, weekly. So these are the phone calls and the operations that are taking place in the admin sections. So we have a team of admins. Like currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 admins. Currently I can see I'm the only person who is active. Other admins are not that very much active. Then you can also see the ranks of the admins. Okay, You can see the ranks of admin, the table chart, and the flow chart of how it goes monthly, daily. You can track the progress. You understand? Go back to home. So when you come home, this is the home section, how it looks like. That's where we started. So this home section is visible to everyone, and it's an open session. So let's go online as an admin. So once you are logged in as an admin, you will go online automatically, unless you click go offline. But you are online. You are within the workstation. Let's go online. So when you're online, when you're online, let's go back to the client's dashboard. Let me say I want to call an admin. Okay, my subscription is on. My phone call subscription is on. You remember the last time when you were calling, it was saying that currently no available admins, right? Okay, so now currently my subscription is active until date 19. What is that? Let's call an admin. It's checking for the connectivity. Then it rings here. You see, it rings. It's calling the available admin. So waiting for an available administrator to answer. Let's come to admin's dashboard. So when you come to admin dashboard, you will see the phone call popping up. Okay, between client and colleague. This is the call. This is what now we call the TAN web RTC. This system has taken me time to build and make things function from the Superbase database and all that to make things work. So once you accept, it will connect. Okay, microphone in use. So it's connecting. No matter distance where you are, when you call through Manlung Recovery Portal, it's possible to receive calls between clients and admins. You understand? So connecting securely. I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, let's close that and try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Call an admin. Accept. Requesting microphone access. Okay, alternatively, I think there's an error with my connection. Connection failed, right? Okay, let's leave this aside. Let's try with the phone and call an available admin. I have an app for Manlung Recovery. Just a minute. So once it opens, I just simply call the portal and any available admins. Let me say we have a 10 section for 10 admin. This is the call session. So now let me click call. I'm checking for available admins, then connecting. You see? So let me say I answer. So once I answer,
Connect.
hello?
Hello?
Niaje?
Niaje?
Unanisikia?
Unanisikia?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
so
I
I
think
think
you see it's
it's
connected.
connected.
Hello?
Hello?
So you can enter the call. That's how the connection between the clients and admin functions. So I've told you about the report. You can change your theme there. I've told you about report. So when coming to admin management, this is now the owners section. This is now the owners portal. No one is it's not visible for anyone. So these admins, they are appointed by me. Okay. So I'm like the CEO of this system. Okay. So they're appointed by me. So when I find someone want to apply a job, apply for the section, they give me their email, then I send them send invitation. Then it will generate a secret link. This secret link is what they want to share with the admin. This is how it will look. It will come with a default email. This email you can't delete because it's a system that I created that when I invite you, it comes with your email. So any email that is not within the site, it's invalid. So it cannot function. That's how it works. Meaning, if you receive this link and you are not the person, you cannot do anything with the system. Okay, that was a security purpose that I made that. So you can invite them. Then once they sign up, it will come up here as a pending admin invitation. Then I approve or suspend any account, any of their accounts. So all phone calls between admins and clients are visible to the owner's dashboard. So any phone call that you make with the client, it's visible here. So we can monitor. I can monitor, and therefore also any job application, you can also send your application there. Then we have the audits. Okay, how things are going within the admins portal. Let's talk about this career job application. When you come home, let me use the owner's dashboard, meaning client's dashboard. Look at this side, how it looks like. So when you come down here, we have about here, you have about, blog, career, terms and conditions. We have client's portal. Then we have a new recovery request. Let's talk about career. So when you come to career, let's talk about Marco Ching. Let me use my email. Currently, there were not pending applications there. Kiambu, years of experience, 3 role I'm applying for. This is now when you're applying for a job. You can apply for as a cyber recovery investigator, digital forensic analysis, scam investigate analysis, identity recovery specialist, security assessment analysis, call support, success, admin case, and software web engineer. Let me pick software web engineer. So they'll want me to take. Okay, so the error that happened was I cannot call. Okay, I cannot call with the same browser an admin calling a client, and I'm using the same emails. Okay, so talking about, let's go to career applications. So I told you when we come home, let's go back to dashboard. Home. So when you come home, there is about, blog, and career. So when you click career, it will take you to this page that you are filling. You'll fill your name, email, phone number, location, and role interested. You can choose any role. Cybersecurity investigator experience you have there. You can even put 7 years. You can put your education. You can put your career experience. You can put your skills. This is an example I'm giving. Then you submit your application. So when submitting your application submitted successfully, thank you. The owner can review your application. You understand? The owner can review your application. Let's go back to the dashboard for the admin. So the owner. You can see under career we have this application that has just come in, and that one is the one that I've submitted with my email. So you can tell about who is the person. So the person can also, you can also view their details, work experience, the things that she sent. If you hire this person, you can also hire or delete. Okay, depending. So this was just an example. Then let's delete this application. Yes, delete. So once deleted, it disappears and goes to the recycle bin. So anything up to there, we are good. Let's go back to the dashboard. So that's now on the career. You can also send application if you are interested in joining our teams for Manlung Recovery Portal. I'm just starting, and it's gonna be big. It's gonna be huge. So I've just realized that you cannot call yourself as an admin, and you're also calling yourself as a client. So you have to have a client's account. Is on that mode. You have to have a client dashboard. Then when you call. So let's talk about. Let's look at something a bit new. Let's talk about. Let me see. If how much is the for phone call? How much is for phone call? Mm-hmm. How much is for phone call.co.ke? Let me try call Addict Manlung. Sign up with Google. Signing. So see, I have a case that already submitted. See me call admin. It will tell me to subscribe. Okay. It will tell me to subscribe. So 1 month is 100 bob. 3 months is 270. You have a discount of 10 bob. 10%. Sorry. 6 months is for 80, 20% discount. Then 1 year, 30% discount. That is 840. That's how it works. So when you pick any, once the payment is successful, the site will automatically click generate itself and give you a call session. So that's how it works. And You guys, I need your support, man. Many support, many support, many support. You too. Let's talk about signing up with the Google or GitHub. If you don't want to use this, you can also use Google and GitHub. Let me, for example, try Google. Let me use this account to create Google. It will tell me your account has been created successfully, right? So let's go to Gmail. Yeah, it says, welcome to Manlung Recovery, account created successfully. So when you create account with Manlung Recovery, you can also delete the account that you created. So once you create it, it gives you an pop-up showing that your account has been created successfully, and that's it. You can also open the directory and welcome back to the Manlung Recovery. So let's delete this. I don't want that account. Let me say I don't want the account. You can just simply come there and on your dashboard, welcome back, submit your application, delete the account, and it will tell you to step delete, then account will be deleted. Delete, then deletes. That's how it functions. Yeah, account has been deleted and it sends out automatically.